This is FIMI X8 Mini, and today I'll show how you can check and update the firmware version on this drone. So to start, open the fly-in or camera interface of the FIMI Navi Mini app, then launch settings by tapping on this cog or gear icon. Now select the last category on the left, and here you'll find the firmware update section, so enter it. Here you can see all the firmware versions for all the parts of your drone, so the aircraft, the remote controller, camera, vision, ESC or escape, whatever that stands for, RC relay, FC relay, battery, and so on. In order to not check but update the firmware version, press the update button on the bottom. In my case, it's inactive since I have just updated my firmware, so there is no new firmware or new software available. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.